Lumabas kami guys ni Rain. Tanghaling tapat. Sobrang init na dito. Summer na. Bibili kami ng itlog. Instead na pumunta kami dun sa kabila, dito kami pumunta. Iikot ko si Rain para mapagod para pagdating namin. Katutulog na lang. At the same time, hinahanap ko din yung dating school ni Anika guys, yung malapit dito sa amin sa bahay. Kasi wala na sila doon. Lumipat daw dito banda sa likod. Ayan dito. Ito likod na namin to. Ito yung park na lagi kami nag-walk. Yun yung nag-vlog kami last time. Ito yun. What is that? Sobrang tahimik dito guys. Parang, alam mo yung parang subdivision sa atin dyan sa, sa Pinas. Parang ganito yung aura ngayon dito. Naalala ko nung maliit pa kami. Nakatalik kami dati sa subdivision. Parang ganito yung ambience. Tahimik. Kukunting sasakyan. Ito yung likod ng bahay. Ayan yung bahay. Ayan. Ayan yung ate, no. Likod ng bahay namin. Sana ba yung, dito, yung dating eskwelahan ni Anika? Nahanap ko yung dating eskwelahan ni Anika. Dito daw, likod eh. Baka ditong side. Baka dito siya, oh. Dito nga. Ha? Chicken? What is that? Chicken? Chicken!
Bandi ba? Photo edadam. Baatake unna.
No. Dana. Come here na rin. Did you say bye-bye to dog? Huh? Did you say bye-bye to dog? No. Did you say bye-bye? Bye-bye dog. Balik na tayo sa bahay. Did you say bye-bye to dog? What did you say there? Chicken? Did you say chicken? Chicken? Did you say bye-bye to chicken? Huh? Chicken? Yung half dozen ng itlog guys. Ito, yung half dozen is 35 rupees. Huh? It's hot. It's hot. Wala inita na ang loring. So, alright guys. Ito na yung moment of truth. Yung nabitin nating video. Itong ginawa nating dessert. So, sa mga hindi nakakapanood ng first part, paano rin nyo kung paano ko siya ginawa. Nakalimutan kong itag doon yung paneer is cottage cheese. Ayan. Ay, malambot siya. Malambot siya. And bago nyan, wala akong tawag ito strainer. Bubudburan ko na lang siya using this one. Amurin guys, kasi akala ko titigas siya. Buti na lang hindi kasi this is pudding type. And nilagay ko siya sa deep fridge. Wala akong strainer, so ganito na lang natin. Ayan. So, scoop natin siya. This is pudding type. Ay, sobrang lambot. Paano ba yung ginawa doon? Parang ginanito yata. Sobrang, hindi ko magaya na doon. So, ito siya guys. Ayan. So, tikman na natin kung ano talagang lasa nito. Ito na siya. So, sa mga ganitong dessert, yung mga ganitong parang diet, don't expect it to be sweeter. Kasi, ako naman kasi, gusto ko sa mga dessert, hindi siya yung ganun katamis. And for me, okay na okay yung ganito. So, try na natin. Wala muna tayong patupik-tupik na try na natin kung ano talagang lasa niya. Uy! Ulit. Para siyang very soft ice cream, guys. nawala lang masyadong tamis. Yung tamis niya okay lang yung tamis niya. Yung hindi kasing tamis ng ice cream, but very, 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 very creamy yung lasa and yung texture niya. Pack na pack. Also good for the kids na lalo na binabawasan ng sugar. So, I really recommend this one, guys. Kung gusto nyo din gumawa nito, yung once again, yung cheese is cottage cheese. Ayan. Gawin nyo siya, guys. Ito yung healthy way of eating ice cream na kung gusto mo magpapayat at healthy na rin. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko sa description box yung link ng recipes nito, yung video nito mismo. So, I'm so very happy na na-try ko siya. Makikita mo din sa comment section kung yung very positive yung mga ng reviews ng mga nakagawa nito. Ice cream siya. Ang lasa niya, ice cream na hindi siya masyadong matamis pero very creamy. Importante sa lahat, less calorie. Kaya hindi ka magigilty pag kumain ka nito. Instead na bumili ka ng ice cream sa labas na napakataas ng calories, try to make this one, guys. Low calorie and healthy. Lalo na pag nag-crave ka ng chocolate. What chocolate? Nag-crave ng chocolate. Ito na gawin mo. Kung wala kang mabilhan na mga cottage cheese, guys, merong mga desserts na like ng chia pudding tiramisu. Yung gagamitin yun is yung Greek yogurt. Ayan. From the don't disturb mama yung ate Bea. Reyna, going to study. Study. Yeah, study. Mama and ate. Sabi mama and ate are going to study. Yay! First baby Dia, what do you call this? Tummy thumbs up.
Tommy, Tommy's open. Tommy, Tommy's down. Tommy's dancing all around the town. Dancing on my shoulders. Dancing on your shoulders. Dancing on my head.
On your head.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
3 little kittens.
3 little kittens, they lost their mittens. They began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear we lost we have lost our mittens. What? Lost your mittens? You're naughty kittens.
Ready?
Lost your mittens.
Put your head up.
Okay.
What happened? Huh?
I know. My teacher said like this. Like this.
What happened?
First, see, Mama first put.
What happened? What happened to your head? Huh? Oh, what happened to your head? Bump! What's your bump? Ah, what?
Mom, see, first you put like this. Then move your hair like this. Then do like this, but touch your forehead. Then do like this.
Baby, go. Let me see.
Really like that.
Ah, 3 little kittens. So, sing me 3 little kittens without actually.
What? Lost your mittens. You're naughty kitten. You'll be shed. Then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 meow. Then you should have no pie. Then you shall have
No, you shall.
no, you shall have no pie.
The bear went over the mountain.
The bear went over the mountain. I'm doing with actions.
Okay.
The bear went over the mountain. The
Good.
bear
You do also
went
the
over
thing
the
on
mountain to see what he could see. But all he could see, but the other side of the mountain, but the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain was all that he could see. So he went back over the mountain. He went back over the mountain. He went back over the mountain to see what he could see.
Push pa. Sabi, push. 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 Sabi, push. Pa. Push. Pa. Pa. Push. Pa. Push. Push. Pa. Push pa.
Clean your plate. Clean your plate, please. Clean your plate there. Wow. Gutom ng ate. Clean your plate. What's your order? Paneer. Roti. Sabi, roti. You're so hungry.
But I didn't have snacks.
Yeah.
So hungry. So hungry.
What happened?
Come.
Ha?
Come.
Ha? Cool down. Ano naman tinitira mo dyan, Loreng? I'm sleeping, hungry. Naglinis ako ng bahay kasi hindi ako nakapag-prepare na ng pagkain. Ah, what is that? What is that? Noodles. Yeah. Tell me, what is that? Tell me, what is that?
See, Mama. Mama, see, Mama magic.
Wait lang. Oh.
Mama. Mama.
What is that? Noodles. Sige, noodles. Awa.
Mama. Mama.
Awa.
Mama. See magic.
Busog na ako. I'm ready for it.
Mama, see magic. Mama, see?
What are you doing? What is that?
Again. Next, another one. Sorry.
Nom-nom na rin, oh. Meron tayong cottage cheese and roti. Gutom lang lurin. I just say thank you. And thank you. Hati na lang kami ni Rihan. Wait lang.
So, ayan guys, that's all for today's video. Masakit yung ulo ko. Ayan, may nagpapa-shoutout nga pala kay Anika. Kaso lang guys na bura ko yung screenshot, yung screenshot ng nagpapa-shoutout. Kung sino po yung nagpa-shoutout na yun kay Anika. So, please comment down below. At kung sino pa pong gusto magpa-shoutout kay Anika yan, comment down below lang po. Ayan, ililista ko yan para i-shoutout kayo ni Anika. So, that's it for today's video guys. Maraming salamat and always po mag-iingat. God bless, take care, and paalam!